The relief is a sculptural technique where the forms stand out of the stone. We're in front of a high given relief, but the figures stand out more than half of its thickness. These reliefs come from the ancient Romanesque Cathedral of Vic. They represent the winged lion, symbol of the evangelist Mark, the angel, symbol of the evangelist Matthew, the Agnus Dei, who symbolizes the sacrificed and re-aroused Christ, and two scenes from the life of St. Peter, removed from the Gospels and of the Facts of the Apostles. In one, Peter receives the same Christ, the primate or the condition leader of the church, and in the other one, Peter re-arouses Tabitha. The reliefs in a semicircular way probably accompanied a representation of Christ in Majesty, of which some remains remain. The other two scenes were part of a cycle of the life of St. Peter. Its style correlates with that of the title page and of the monastery of Ripoll. According to different opinions, they could have been part of a monumental portal or of an altarpiece.